What's up guys? So day 2 with this OnePlus Nord and I have an update already. I think I know why they gave it. My initial impressions with this device have been good so far. From the given case to the overall experience. Everything feels really good and these days I'm using it as a daily driver before giving you guys a full review of this one. So here is the OxygenOS 10.5.4 update for OnePlus Nord. But before we get into that, do consider subscribing to this channel if you wish to see more videos like this one in future. Alright, so this update is mainly focused on cameras because a lot of users started to complain as OnePlus claimed that this sensor is from OnePlus 8, but the overall output was not that close, at least on paper. So this update addresses some of those issues and I'll be putting that to test in the full camera review that will come really soon, so stay tuned for that. And you can just click on download and install now to start the process, and it will take a few minutes hardly to update your device to this version. So once we are done with this process, you will have the latest version. So let's have a look at the changelog now. Starting with the system level changes, well, I read a lot of comments on OnePlus forum regarding the issues in joining Red Cable Club membership, and people were getting all sorts of errors and stuff. So don't worry, that has been fixed, and you can try and enroll yourself to the club now. For those of you who don't know the benefits of this Red Cable Club, well, consider it like a free membership where you get all the benefits like extended warranty of 6 months on your OnePlus device, 50 GB of cloud space for 1 year and more. So go ahead and claim all that. Along with it, you get some vouchers and benefits from time to time. Other than that, you get faster image loading in Gallery app, which I did not find slower even before this update. Apart from this, some tweaks have been done with the display as well, and I guess it fixes that tint issue for those of you who had it in their units. Mine did not have it, so I can't really claim about it. So you guys let me know in the comment section down below if it fixes that issue for you. Along with this, the issues with background music when switching over to the front camera, that has also been fixed in case it was bothering you. Now the main concern was with camera quality, right? So as per this changelog, they have improved those macro shots. And yes, they were quite inconsistent before this update. And after the update, well, they look a bit better now. Don't expect the quality to improve all of a sudden. So quite a few fixes and patches. Plus I am also keeping a track of benchmark scores over the time. So here is the Geekbench score before and after the update. And this will help us to find out in case there are any issues or something with performance after the updates. So these were all the changes with this update, and you can expect a lot of them till these common issues get resolved. Anyways, a lot of content about this device is coming really soon, so subscribe to the channel and do like this video if it helps you out. Lastly, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.